Hey folks, Jordan with my strategic forecast Inside the Numbers Live, and I wanted to take you through a trade that we had in the room on Friday. Now, what was different about this was I recorded a session where I used a staged order for the stocks on the move, in this case Adobe, and it was extraordinarily useful because, as you'll see in a minute, the stock hit right out of the gate and then ran right into the price target for the first exit at profit and then the second exit at profit. And that had I tried to do this manually, I might have missed it. So I showed members how I used a staged order because we get these price levels before the market even opens. That's one of the benefits for stocks on the move. So I want you to get a chance to see how this played out, and you'll get to see the trade very quick. So stick with us. It'll be really interesting. Now, one thing I'm going to do for you all is I'm going to drop in some staged orders here so you all can see actually how I do some of this stuff. So here I'm just putting ADBE. It'll let me. That single order. And I staged that. And that'll be if it opens above the first level. All right, so we'll see how things kind of lay out. All right, we'll see where this opens. All right, so it opened above the first level, so I'm good there. Order filled. And it filled. Order filled. I'm out of the first part. Order filled. Out of the second part. And that's what, less than 45 seconds. And now I just let it kind of see what it can do for the rest of the day. So that was the trade from Friday. We had a couple other trades that we had in ConocoPhillips, and that one unfortunately didn't work out. And then we had a really nice trade in the S&P 500. I used micro futures. A few other folks in the room used options. They can use leveraged ETFs, but ultimately it's up to the trader themselves. What I liked about this trade was it gave me a chance to show how you can use the different systems from a broker, in this case TradeStation, to become a better trader through processes and helping yourself to put in orders and not miss out, when things move fast, because ultimately it can happen. I've had it plenty of times where the market lags first thing in the morning. So this really helped out having everything into the system at once. Now, this is just a snippet of the action that we get in the trade room. We offer a 7-day free trial for anybody to check it out, see if it's right for you, and we would love to have you in there. My name is Jordan with my strategic forecast Inside the Numbers Live. Thank you for joining me.